Jinding duck is a breed of domestic duck that is commonly raised for eggs production. Drakes weigh about 2.2 kilograms and ducks weigh about 1.8 kilograms. Here are some general tips for rearing Jinding ducks. A well-ventilated house with a dry floor is recommended for living of Jinding ducks. Provide enough space for the ducks to move around comfortably. Provide at least 4 square feet of indoor space per duck and 8 to 10 square feet of outdoor space. Keep the duck house and surrounding area clean and dry to prevent the buildup of bacteria and disease. Jinding ducks are omnivorous. Provide Jinding ducks with clean water and a well-balanced diet that includes protein, vitamins, and minerals. Offer them a mix of commercial feed, fresh vegetables, and grains. A combination of commercial feed and natural food sources, such as insects, worms, and grass is recommended. Provide Jinding ducks with grit, such as small stones or crushed eggshells, to help them digest their food properly. Regular health checkups and vaccination programs are essential for Jinding ducks to prevent and control diseases. Consult a veterinarian if any health problems arise. If you are raising Jinding ducklings, provide a brooding area that is warm, clean, and dry. Use a heat lamp or brooder to maintain a temperature of 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for the first few weeks and then gradually reduce the temperature as they grow. Ducks love water, so provide a shallow pool or pan of water for them to splash around in. Make sure that the water you provide for your Jinding ducks is clean and free of contaminants. If you plan to breed Jinding ducks, make sure you have both male and female ducks. Generally, one mature male duck is enough for breeding 5 to 6 female ducks. The hens start laying eggs as early as 4 months old, but they won't get into a routine until they're 6 to 7 months old. Jinding ducks lay about 270 to 325 eggs a year. After 2 years, egg production is low. Collect eggs frequently to prevent them from getting dirty or damaged. Clean them with a damp cloth or sandpaper to remove any dirt or debris. If you are raising Jinding ducks for egg production, consider adding artificial lighting in the duck house to stimulate egg laying during the shorter days of fall and winter. Keep records of your duck rearing activities, such as feeding schedules, egg production, and health issues. This can help you identify any trends or issues that may arise over time. Before you start rearing Jinding ducks, do some market research to determine the demand for duck meat and eggs in your area. This can help you make informed decisions about your duck rearing business.